Hey, I'm Jess, curvy plus size mom lifestyle creator, breaking general wealth curses one hustle at a time. I've decided to merge everything to this one page because you don't need 10 versions of me. You just need all of me in one place, giving you my full story and showing you what actually works. Over the next 90 days, I've decided to replace my income on camera. You'll see how I build affiliate systems, and even start my remote online notary business. I'm going to share with you my wins and my losses. So this is the perfect time for you to subscribe and steal what actually works. No fluff, no BS, just the savage truth. And all while I'm juggling a work from home full-time job, a busy toddler, and two children in school. You may be asking, Jess, why are you willing to do this on camera? Well, sis, that's easy because I started right where you are. Scared, desperate for a change, and not knowing if this was something that actually would work. I sat in multiple people's lives on TikTok, and I even spent over $1,200 on digital products that did not make me $20,000 in a month. So I see you because I am you. And don't worry, sis, we got this together. So if you resonated with anything that I talked about, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And make sure you grab my freebie of 5 side hustles that you can start today. I'll make sure I come back tomorrow so that we can get started. But for now, mama needs a little self care. So I'll see you in the next one. Okay, love you. Bye.